To convert Canva link to PDF, this is a design I am working on. I'll just quickly go over to share so that we can get a link to convert. And I want to click on public view link, or if I want them to edit the design, or I want to make it a template for them to make a copy of the design, whichever one it is I am doing. I have all those options here. I can decide and choose to make this a template. And let's just go back to share again. Let me just quickly give access anyone with the link, and I want to just copy this link. They can edit, and I want to put that in a PDF. I will quickly copy the link, and I would go over to file here, and I will click on create a new design. And you see it's asking us what we want to create. I'm going to search for A4, and you see all these options come out. I'm going to click this one, and that will load in the editor. And from here you want to come over to templates here and look for templates you can work with. I sort of like this template. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to select this first page. Let's go back to elements to put in our own image in here to see all. And we decide to pull this young lady into this place. We'll click on the image and let's drag her down a bit. Yeah, let's change this text to visit link. Now that we have this text here, we're going to click on the text box, and you will click on these three dots, and you will see here where it says link. We're going to click on link, and we're going to paste in that link of that document we copied. I'm going to Ctrl V, and you see the link of the document we copied here, and we're going to click on done. Once we click on done, you see that we have linked this document in this PDF. So now we're going to click on share here, click on download. Now once we come over here, we're going to click here to select PDF standard, and we can download our design as a PDF.